Adventure is the flavor of the season. And after the buzzing adrenaline rush of downhill cycling last month, we are back with the Honda WRV. This time to experience the thrill of kayaking. For the uninitiated, a kayak is actually a single-seat canoe rowed with a double-sided paddle. Maneuvering one of these through a bunch of rapids takes not just skill but also power. With the Honda WRV acting as our enabler, our friend Samir, an expert rower, and I headed out to the Farmstead. Located just about 50-odd kilometers from Pune, the Farmstead is a unique place that offers adventure activities and agro-ecotourism. The Farmstead also offers the thrills of river rafting to visitors. Us and Samir's super light kayak are transported safely and ably to the Farmstead by the capable WRV. Driving alongside the kayak, it's hard to ignore the poise with which Samir steers the light and sturdy fiber monocoque through the lovely ripples. It's not much different steering the WRV over these rough roads. It too feels light and easy as I head off to the pickup point where this adventure ends and the next one beckons.